Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix .NET Framework 3.5 error 0x800f081f in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and you just need to select show more and copy this file. Just select cut and go to this PC local disk C and paste the file over here. Select continue. After pasting it, just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste this command and wait for this command to finish. After finishing this command, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.